To the courts now, the Federal High Court sitting in Abuja has dismissed the suit filed by Miyetti Allah challenging the 2017 open grazing prohibition and establishment law passed by the Benue State House of Assembly. Celestina Area has details.
The Miyetti Allah Hore had approached the court with prayers, seeking a mandatory injunction of court restraining the Beune State Government from implementing the laws as passed by the Benue State House of Assembly. Justice Bamidele Quadri had in December 2017 ordered the plaintiff to amend the originating summons as there was no valid one before the court. He had given the plaintiff 5 days to comply, but the plaintiff brought the summons before the court on 31st May 2019. Justice Okon Abang of the Federal High Court held that the suit filed by the Miyetti Allah Hore against the Benue State Government, the National Assembly, and 7 others on the 2017 open grazing law was an abuse of court processes. He anchored his judgment on the failure of the plaintiff to comply with an earlier order of the court directing them to amend their originating summons. He held that the plaintiff were nonchalant, developed a carefree attitude, and did nothing for upward of 19 months, stating that the court order was treated with disdain and levity, and the purported originating summons filed in May 2019 was a nullity.
The government and people of Benue State made a people's law to ban open grazing in Benue State. The Miyetti Allah Hore came to challenge that law, and today the court passed this judgment in our favor and dismissed that suit in its entirety. It is a triumph of the rule of law.
The law has always been the same, yesterday and today. And even tomorrow, the law will be the same. They came here, the Miyetti Allah came here to challenge the law validly passed by Beune State House of Assembly. And they were not diligent in prosecuting their matter. Obviously, the court said, due to their conduct, they believed that they had no good case.
The government of Benue State had in 2017 enacted the most celebrated open grazing prohibition and ranches establishments law to stem the persistent conflict between herdsmen and farmers in the state.
Justice Okon Abang stressed the failure of the plaintiff to comply with the order made by Justice Bamidele Quadri is an intentional disrespect of the court and a slap in the face of the court. He therefore ordered that 100,000 naira each should be paid to the 14 defendants by the plaintiff before any other step can be taken. Celestina Area, TVC News, Abuja.